Get ready to experience effortless and exciting aerial adventures with the new S2S Mini Drone. This professional-grade, foldable quadcopter combines a stunning 8K HD camera with 4K and 6K options, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and stable optical flow positioning to deliver an exceptional flying and photography experience. Designed as an ideal gift or toy, the S2S Mini Drone offers a blend of advanced features and user-friendly controls, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Capture breathtaking visuals with 8K HD wide-angle camera. The S2S Mini Drone sets itself apart with its impressive camera options, offering 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 6K HD, or even 8K HD wide-angle cameras. This means you can capture incredibly detailed photos and videos from a broad perspective, turning your aerial adventures into stunning visual content. The 2.4G Wi-Fi FPV function allows you to connect to the drone's app on your mobile phone, enabling real-time image transmission up to 100 meters, giving you an immersive, bird's-eye view of your flight as you record. Intelligent flight and enhanced stability. Fly with confidence and precision thanks to the S2S Mini Drone's intelligent flight systems. Optical flow positioning ensures stable hovering, especially beneficial for indoor flights or in areas where GPS signals might be weak. The altitude hold mode function maintains a steady height, simplifying control and allowing for clearer photos and videos. While not explicitly stated as brushless, the professional designation combined with obstacle avoidance and optical flow hints at a robust flight system. Smart obstacle avoidance for worry-free flying. A standout feature of the S2S Mini Drone is its intelligent obstacle avoidance. This system helps the drone detect and navigate around obstructions in its path, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and making the flight experience safer and more enjoyable for pilots of all skill levels. Agile performance and portable design. The S2S Mini Drone features a 6-axis gyroscope for enhanced stability and easier control. It offers 3 flight speed switch levels, allowing you to adjust the speed to match your skill level or desired maneuverability, making flying more fun. Its foldable arm design makes it incredibly compact and portable, 14 by 7 by 11 centimeters when folded and 27 by 22 by 7 centimeters when unfolded. The quadrotor fuselage is constructed from strong, high-strength engineering plastic, ensuring it's lightweight yet durable enough to withstand minor impacts. Extended flight time and reliable connectivity. Powered by a 3.7V 2000 mAh LiPo battery, the S2S Mini Drone offers an impressive single battery life of 20 to 25 minutes, allowing for extended flying sessions. The battery takes approximately 120 minutes to charge. With a 2.4G frequency and 4 channels, it boasts strong interference immunity and a remote control distance of up to 200 meters. User-friendly controls and intelligent features. The S2S Mini Drone is packed with features designed to simplify the flying experience. One-touch takeoff or landing simplifies starting and ending your flight with a single button. One-touch return function easily brings the drone back to its takeoff position. Headless mode eliminates the need to adjust the aircraft's position before flying, making it easier for beginners. Orbital movement allows the aircraft to fly in circles, providing unique and cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode, simply draw a route on your mobile screen, and the drone will autonomously follow the given path. LED lights enhance visibility and add flare during flight. Low power protection and overcurrent protection, built-in safeguards for drone longevity. Standard flight movements, capable of flying up or down, forward, backward, left, right, and sideways. The new S2S Mini Drone offers an impressive package for its size, combining high-resolution camera capabilities with intelligent flight features and a highly portable design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for an accessible, fun, and capable drone for capturing aerial content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech unboxings.